Science Kids.
The Science Kids.
So today, the two peas that grew were Levi's and Haley's. So they're going to show you their peas and tell you, stop Levi, how did you get your pea to grow so good?
Telling it I love you super much.
Tell them what you told me, Haley. How'd you get your pea to grow so good?
I told them nice things.
Nice
Mine.
things. She told it nice things every day. So Hannah's is molding, so we're gonna throw it away now. But real quick, we wanted to go over a couple of parts of the plant with you all. Because we did it in these clear cups, we were able to see the roots continue to develop. Now this pea, we're gonna plant it outside soon. It's ready to go outside. So down here you can see the roots, and can you see the seed still where it came out? The pea?
I can't. Mine's getting smoothed out.
So what happened first, it grew a root, and then it grew a sprout, and the sprout grew. And this is a stem, if you're looking at the parts of a plant. So this thick green part is a stem, and these are the leaves.
And this is the fruit, and the pie it's spinning.
Yes, and this is what it uses to attach to when it's growing up the pole. And this will make pea pods. So our next video will be planting them outside.
Pea pods are green beans.
Yeah, green beans have pods too. I wonder what other seeds grow in pods. Why is that so funny? Pods? That's a funny word?
No, but it's funny when you say that for the pea.
A pea pod?
Is the video done, or are we still doing it?
All right. We can tell them goodbye if you're ready for your video to be over.
Goodbye.
Don't know why our other two did not work out. Don't know.
Hannah's is going in trash.
No, that's not nice, Levi. It is, but you don't have to be mean about it.
And Hannah gets to plant a new seed. And I'm using a watermelon seed, not a...
Do you want to show them?
Watermelon.
Come show them.
It's called a watermelon. That big.
Is there any changes to your seed?
No.
Alright, be in charge of throwing Hannah's away. Remember what you said about the moldy pea last time? Alright. I almost said, let's say a prayer.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
See you later.